Go to the end. Tawanga.
Can you race?
No, I'm not racing. Going there and coming back. Tawanga, go. Go.
Why? Where's the bike? You're racing with us.
On your marks. Get set. Go. Come back. Who dropped the... Stop crying.
I won.
Okay, start again. Start again. Go and get him. Go and get a nice...
Always cry.
No, he doesn't.
I'm good at this game. I'm good at this game.
Start again. Whoever wins gets a pound. Baby, do you want the pound? Get your sack.
Daddy,
Huh?
Daddy, who won?
No, you have to start again.
Whoever wins gets a pound.
Yeah.
Are you joking?
You have to go there and come back.
Are
Yeah.
you joking?
No, I'm not joking. Come.
Oh, but I'm not good at this.
You have to try. On your marks.
Can we get a pound even though we don't win?
No, you don't. You don't get a pound if you don't win. Get set. Go. Oh! What happened? Huh? No, you're cheating. Charmaine won.
I get the pound now.
Yeah, you get the pound.
Get the pound.
Because she got there first.
Can we start again?
Baby, come. Okay, do another one. Set. Go. Go.
I'm a No, not now. I'm racing with Shanae. You have to stop and say, I don't want any more start racing. Go. I'm the pusher. No. It's Gigi's fault.
What are you doing?
I'm the pusher.
Stop crying. Say sorry. You say sorry. Stop talking like that, Munashe. You're going to be in trouble now.
Yeah. Don't go on my bike. I want to do the race.
You're going to go upstairs just now.
No, the race with Shanae.
Charmaine. Okay, you race Charmaine again.
I have to get my sack.
Quickly. Get your sack on.
Yeah, I was the great one. I could do it.
On your marks. Get set. Go, baby. Go.
It doesn't matter. He's only a baby.
Go.
Now it's just between Shemaine and Shemaine wins.
No. Careful.
Shemaine won. I won.
Okay, it's a tie. It's a tie. All right, then that's enough.